Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So for today, I'm going to give you guys a break from bokeh. But be warned, the next one will probably be bokeh inspired. When I like something, I tend to go overboard with it. For now, my umbrella is taking a rest. It will come back once this new obsession fades away. Today's painting is a simple landscape. I'm just playing around with texture and a change of colors. It was quite fun to paint this, a little refreshing change of scenery. You know, it's crazy how time flies. Just after the last World Cup ended in Brazil, my friends and I were cooling off from the football fever, talking about planning the trip for the next World Cup. 4 years felt like a long time then, but so much has changed during these years. 2018 feels like a distant memory. Both my parents enjoy it too, but not the leagues, only for World Cup itself. My dad watches it for the love of the game. My mum definitely watches it for the thrill of the bets. I'm definitely both. The first one I watched was in 2002, and my dad reiterated over and over again that this is what real football is, not soccer as they call it. Because of this, I've gotten into so many heated debates with my friends every time the Super Bowl is around the corner. Even though he's no longer here, I'm grateful for the fun memories we had over the last World Cups. If I add a dash of red in this landscape, you might be able to guess which team I'm rooting for, and it's most likely not what you're guessing. But anyway, I'm not bringing out the red today. I'm planning to stick to this white and blue aesthetic. Let me know which team you're rooting for in the comment below. Hence, without further ado, let's begin.
my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby, and twist myself at the spine. Don't wanna overthink it, baby. It's just twist your body and mine. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, but I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Let's not get ahead of my time. Oh, but I don't wanna miss you, baby.
Fly so high, I'm hypnotized. What's up is down, what's left is right. Chasing stars and holding you. I can't see the end, but we'll see it through. Flying, get on board. We're smiling on top of the world. Dangerous times, don't fly too high. Be sure to keep the ground in sight. Fly forever if you keep it tight. Love the world, but keep the sky on your mind. Flying, get on board. We're smiling on top of the world. Flying, get on board. We're smiling on top of.